What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Mode. Today I'm going to do a quick video on how to reset the oil life on a Subaru WRX. This is a 2016 model here, but it will be the same on several different years. So we're in the vehicle, and it needs to either be on or running. Then we're going to use the driver information button here in the center, and we're going to scroll down until we see this screen. It's going to tell us to press and hold the enter button, so that's what we'll do, press and hold it down. And then we're going to come to this screen. We're going to scroll down to maintenance, press enter. Then you can see the engine oil. Highlight that, press enter. And then here you can either set it as a date, or you can do the distance. So if we're doing the distance, press enter. We can scroll up, we'll set it to 3,000 miles. Press enter. When you're done setting it, whether you do the date or the distance, then you'll scroll down to where it says set. Press enter. And that's it. And you can do the same thing with the oil filter. Set it as a date or distance, same way. So pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.